I had a bunch of people asking for SUG knives reviews. This one's the cheaper ones. So let's see what I got. I guess we'll start with this little one, and then we're gonna use it to do a bunch of unboxing with that. It's more like a box cutter in a way. Look at that. Keychain. Okay. There you go. Wow, interesting. Check this out. Let me close this before I cut myself. How do we do this? Oh, there you go. You just push on it and it will close. So very cool design. You press it, open it, kinda have to open it, close it with two hands. Boom. And also I think it locks in this keychain thing, so you can put whole bunch of keys in. How does this work? Okay, you just pull on this thing back. Nothing to do with the knife. I don't know, is it safe or is it gonna click in and let go all of the keys? Probably safe. I like it. Okay, we'll use it to open up the rest of the stuff. So this one is folding knife Salute Mini. Might as well just rip it off. I cannot cut through this thing almost. So yeah, these things are so frustrating to open unless you have a really nice and sharp, expensive knife. That keychain thing cannot do anything on that plastic, almost. So there you go, there is a brand of it. How do we open and close it? The back lock over here. Check this out in the closing state, and let's try to flick it open. Ooh, it's tough to flick it open. I guess you can do it slowly, not so much flicker because it's really tight. And then you close it with two hands. Wow. It is very tight, and this thing is quite sharp, so it digs in into your finger quite a bit. So let's try this again. Wow, it's stuck or something. Okay, let's do this. Knife doesn't want to do it. It's so tough, it's weird. Maybe my finger just tired. Wow, that's weird. But other than that, it's pretty cool design. Check this out. Pretty comfortable to hold it too. This thing is in the way a little bit, but that's okay. So I guess the biggest complaint, how to open it and close it. Oh wow, you can adjust that, move it a little bit forward if you wish. Yeah, that's insane. I don't even know how I opened it the first time. Ow. Okay, whatever. They said here, SUG folding knife Twitch 2. Okay, finally, easy to open. And there's an explanation how it works and stuff. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay, that looks pretty good. I like that. Check this out. Very skinny blade. I mean, it starts off thick. Wow. Beautiful. How do we close this? Same way. You just press it in the back and lock it. Oh, nice. So this is a little pocket knife and seems to be assisted. Because if I press it a little tiny bit, yep, it jumps out. It's oiled up too, then you can open it like that too. Why can I not open it today this way? So weird, my finger hurts or something from the first knife. I need to practice, that's the real truth. But wow, check this out. It flies out there. Okay. There you go. It worked this time. I need to get the technique going to flick it this way. Kinda hard to do it with a tiny knife like that. But yeah, the design is pretty cool, that's for sure. It's a buck lock and looks like there's a latchet here, so that way you don't press it by mistake. So like a little safety. Wow, that's cool. You can lock it. Nope, not when it's closed. Then you can use a safety. Pretty unique idea. So that way it cannot be closed. Beautiful tiny little knife. Perfect box cutter, I assume. Okay, this stuff should be a little bit more expensive. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this is almost like a weird folder. I should have started with this one. Check this out. You just not press it. I think you flick it right here. Let me learn. Oh yeah, it's assistant knife again, and press it to lock it. And right here there's open and close lock. Oh, actually right here. Boom. Lock it. Unlock it. Okay. This is a bigger knife, so no excuses. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, definitely have to practice. I'm kind of not super comfortable right here. But yeah, press it, close it. Oh, there you go. I wasn't holding it the right way. Look at that. There you go. I'm learning. I don't really have a lot of knife that is assisted like that. So hold it like that and flick it. Look at this knife. That makes a lot of residue. It feels like it's all metal. Very nice handle. Nice to hold it. But let's try it again. Really, really tough to open. If you lock it over here, it will not come out anymore. So unlock it, and then it's going to be sprint assist, and I figured it out. I have to hold it really tight with palm of my finger to really kick it out. It's so weird. Oh man, there you go. I really have to practice. It is super tight. I feel like a wimp, but my fingers hurts right now. It's quite tough to open it and close it, so kind of madness about that knife. But definitely very unique flipper over here, assisted knife. I'm just too tired now. It is so hard to pull it even with two hands. That's kind of annoying though. But yeah, very nice knife. I really love the handle. This side right here, beautiful. Quite loose, easy to put on and off. Belt clip, and check this out. Very nice. So you press it and then fold it kinda with one hand. But it is tough, I promise you guys. This is so tough. So I almost have to hold it very hard and flick it out. It's crazy. Almost with two hands, tough too. That's the weirdest knife ever made. Should be by itself. Okay, and the last one. Let's see what this thing is all about. Oh yeah, this is like a little credit card. But I'll tell you what guys, opening up Benchmade, then Spyderco, and then opening up SUGs, what a big difference. Carbon fiber, very lightweight. Look at that. This is a money clip knife. Okay, that's not that hard to open it and close it. Doesn't really flicker. There is a little latch it to open it and close it, especially close it, it will open automatically. And 1, 2, 3 finger knife. This is nice. Okay, there's a logo. It says Japan, probably made in Japan. SUG Ultra CT. Very unique. I don't know if I would actually use it every day. I don't really even carry that much cash. But other than that, very easy to fold it, unfold it, compared to the other one. Look at that. I'd rather stick with this one. Doesn't really flick or anything. The other one, spring or something to do with spring, is too tight. Look at my fingers. All these knives give me dirty fingers. Very interesting. One more knife over here. This is cash card. Another folding knife that holds your cash. Okay, I feel like easier to just break the seal or something than try to cut through this thing. There you go. The other one was more like a carbon fiber. This one is a metal one. I figure I'll do a cheaper video because I have spent $1,000 or $900 and $700 on knives. I'm sure some people appreciate these videos as well. Okay, the folding mechanism a little bit different too, like that. The actual blade is exactly the same, 3 finger, and check this out. Very nice grip over here to cut through boxes and stuff. I like it. Okay, very skinny. I'm not a huge fan of cash card knives. This one is nice. It can flip out like that. One more time. But you really have to throw. So yeah, if you like to hold cash on you, that could be a really cool cash clip knife. But yeah, look how dirty my hands from the SUG knives.